JagranShows.com brings for the aspirants current affairs video of the week 1st August to 7th August 2015 that will be of immense help in their preparation. Current affairs headlines. Lok Sabha passed Negotiable Instruments Amendment Bill 2015. Union government signed historic peace accord with NSCN-IM. 193 UN members reached agreement on Sustainable Development Agenda. Francis Alden Kelsey, the anti-thalidomide Canadian doctor, died. 70th Hiroshima Day observed to commemorate dropping of atomic bomb on Hiroshima. August edition of FIFA World Rankings released. Uttar Pradesh government decided to rename UPTU as APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Hindi literature Kashinath Singh chosen for Bharat Bharati Literary Award 2014. Lok Sabha passed Delhi High Court Amendment Bill 2015. Rural Development Minister launched Samanvay for Gram Panchayats. Egypt unveiled new Suez Canal expansion. India decided to boycott 61st Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference to be held in Islamabad. A Hollywood actor George Cole passed away. Indian-American Atul Keshav appointed as the US Ambassador to Sri Lanka and Maldives. World War II hero Colonel Harwant Singh passed away. Current affairs in detail. Lok Sabha passed Negotiable Instruments Amendment Bill 2015. The bill seeks to amend the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. It allows filing of check bounce cases at the place where a check is presented for clearance. It will have implications for over 18 lakh check bounce cases pending in various courts. It defines promissory notes, bills of exchange, checks, and creates penalties for such issues. Union government signed historic peace accord with NSCN-IM. The landmark peace accord outs an end to almost 2 decades of long-pending peace talks. It also ended over 80 rounds of negotiations, spanned 16 years with first breakthrough in 1997. NSCN-IM is a Naga outfit operating in northeast India. It was named after its two leaders, Isaac Chishi Swu and Thwingaleng Muiwa. 193 UN members reached agreement on Sustainable Development Agenda. The draft agreement outlines 17 goals with 169 specific targets. It calls for eradicating poverty and hunger, achieving gender equality. It also seeks taking urgent action to combat climate change. Document Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, will be adopted at September's UN Summit. Francis Alden Kelsey, the anti-thalidomide Canadian doctor, died. In 1960s, she prevented the drug thalidomide from being distributed in the US. She refused to approve the drug because she had concerns about the drug's safety. Later, thalidomide prescribed to pregnant women resulted in birth of dead babies. President John F. Kennedy gave her the Award for Distinguished Federal Civilian Service. In July 2015, she was appointed to the Order of Canada. 70th Hiroshima Day observed to commemorate dropping of atomic bomb on Hiroshima. The day was observed on 6th August 2015. It is observed to commemorate the day when an atomic bomb was dropped on the city. The bomb was dropped by Superfortress bomber named the Enola Gay. The bomb dropped on the city was nicknamed as Little Boy. It was the world's first atom bomb to be dropped anywhere across the world. August edition of FIFA World Rankings released. The rankings show change in top 3 places with Argentina remaining at number 1 position. Argentina is followed by Belgium and Germany at number 3 position. Chile for the first time entered top 10 ranked 10th. The Netherlands moved out of top 10 ranked 12th down 7. India with 161 points retained its 156th position in FIFA World Rankings. Uttar Pradesh government decided to rename UPTU as APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. For this, UP Technical University Amendment Bill 2015 was approved by the State Cabinet. The bill amends the UP Technical University Act 2000. Former President Dr. Kalam died in Shillong on 27 July 2015 after suffering a cardiac arrest. Decision to create a memorial in memory of Kalam and other famous scientists was taken. Hindi laureate Kashinath Singh chosen for Bharat Bharati Literary Award 2014. Bharat Bharati Award is the highest literary award of Uttar Pradesh. The award is given by UP Hindi Sansthan every year. The award carries a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees. Singh's novel Kashi Ka Assi captures the vibrant hues of Banaras. Lok Sabha passed Delhi High Court Amendment Bill 2015. The bill amends the Delhi High Court Act 1966. It was passed by Rajya Sabha on 6 May 2015. The bill will affect 12,211 cases pending in the High Court. It increases the pecuniary jurisdiction of district courts from 20 lakh rupees to 2 crore rupees. It proposes that civil suits up to 2 crore rupees will be heard by 11 district courts. Rural Development Minister launched Samanvay for Gram Panchayats. Samanvay is a compilation of all schemes of both union and state governments. More than 1800 state schemes from across all states have been documented in Samanvay. It aims at helping MPs to utilize relevant schemes in the planning of SAGY. It will implement as a database for mapped and compiled information on various Gram Panchayat activities. Egypt unveiled new Suez Canal expansion. This new waterway is expected to boost the traffic that passes through the canal. The project got completed in 1 year span with an estimated cost of $8 billion. It expanded the Bala bypass from 61 meters to 312 meters. It allows ships, especially larger vessels, to transit the canal in both directions simultaneously. It will lead to increase in the canal traffic and revenue. The expansion is expected to double the ship capacity of the Suez Canal from 49 to 97 ships a day by 2023. India decided to boycott 61st Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference to be held in Islamabad. The unanimous decision was taken after the conclusion of the meeting of the speakers of all states. The meeting was called to discuss Pakistan's decision to not invite J&K Speaker Kavinder Gupta. By not inviting J&K Speaker, Pakistan is violating the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Constitution. It was against the guiding principles of the Commonwealth of Promotion of International Understanding and Peace. 61st Commonwealth Parliamentary Conference will be held in Islamabad, Pakistan from 30th September to 8th October 2015. Hollywood actor George Cole passed away. The actor George Cole was best known for playing the role of Arthur Daly in the TV series Minder. Cole attributed his success to his mentor, the actor Alastair Sim, who guided his early career. Cole did many British comedies like Too Many Crooks 1959. He played Flavius in the 1963 epic play Cleopatra opposite Elizabeth Taylor, Richard Burton, and Rex Harrison. Cole began acting in the early 1940s, appearing with Laurence Olivier in The Demi Paradise. Indian American Atul Keshav appointed as the US Ambassador to Sri Lanka and Maldives. Earlier, Keshav had been an official at the US Embassy in India. He is currently working as Deputy Assistant Secretary of State in South and Central Asia Affairs Bureau of State Department. He was a Deputy Political Counselor at the US Embassy in New Delhi from 2005 to 2008. Keshav also served as Special Assistant for the Middle East, North Africa and South Asia. He was also the Director of UN Human Rights and Bureau of International Organization Affairs in 2008. He joined the Foreign Service in 1994. World War II hero Colonel Harwant Singh passed away. He was officer in charge of the flag hoisting ceremony on 1st Independence Day of India. He was commissioned in 2nd Battalion of the Sikh Regiment in September 1941. During World War II, he served in Iraq, Palestine, North Africa, Cyprus, and Italy for the British Army. In 1951, he was transferred to the Rajputana Rifles. He commanded 18 Rajputana Rifles, 6 Rajputana Rifles, and the Rajputana Regimental Centre.